the apex of the heart. Can you identify that? Alright, now I'm going to show it to you. So here it is. This shadow?
No, down a little bit more.
You have to tell me more specifically.
I'll ask you.
Okay, sounds good. So a lobar sign appears when there is a collapsed lung lobe. Okay. And when you review the normal thorax, then you will find out where the normal lung lobes are located. Can anybody tell me what lung lobe lives here in this area? Middle? What's the full name of that? Right middle lung lobe. And there is another lung lobe, accessory. What lung lobes are here? Cranial lung lobes. Is it right cranial, left cranial? I'm hearing right or left. Which one is it? Does it depend upon the recumbency? So what if I tell you this is a right lateral recumbency? Then it becomes a left, this side. So what you are seeing is the left lateral lung lobe, left cranial lung lobe, if it is the right lateral recumbency. Do you agree?
Yes.
So where is the right cranial then? It's compressed. So it's completely compressed and all you are seeing is left lateral? No. Yeah, so the correct answer is, so they are superimposed on each other. Okay? So what you are seeing here is both right and left cranial lung lobes. Okay? So right cranial and left cranial, they are superimposed. All of this is superimposed right and left. But I also heard there will be some collapse, and that's true. So if it's a right lateral recumbency, the right side is on the bottom, on the table, and that side will be collapsed. And the left side will have more air because it's away from the table. So most of it is left, but there is also right side. So if you see something, you can't really tell if it's right or left. So you have to consider, I'm seeing both the lung lobes. To be sure, you need a VD or a DD to find out if the lesion is in the right side or the left side. Okay? Yeah.
So like on one of the Joseph's questions, it was like kind of sort of asked that, and it was saying that you would say it's the left there and right, like we're coming to just because of the compression.
Yes. The most of it is the left side. But it doesn't mean that you are not seeing the right side. So if there was a lesion, so if the nodule, for example, is on the left side, it will be more obvious on the right side recumbency. Because the left side has more air and the lesion is more prominent. We'll cover that concept later on. But just to get you started, good? So on the superimposed on the heart will be the right middle lung lobe and caudal subsegment of left cranial. Remember, the left cranial is divided into two. Cranial subsegment, caudal subsegment. So here is the cranial subsegment of left cranial, and superimposed on the heart is right middle and caudal subsegment of left cranial. Okay? So we don't know if this lobar sign is in the right middle or if it is in the caudal subsegment of left cranial. To confirm, we need a VD or a DD. Good? Alright, and in this area will be the caudal lung lobes. Right caudal and left caudal. All of this. And right accessory is in this area. Okay? Alright, so with the flu and asthma, seeing a lobar sign is very common. So I just wanted you to be aware of that.